Quick video here on your mk7 Fiesta Speedo when your LCD display is not working, playing up, half missing. Cheap, easy fix. Go on eBay, buy yourself a second-hand Speedo head, less than 20 quid. This was 18 quid delivered, so they're not particularly dear. When you get it at home, pop the bezel, there, two tabs here, quite easy to get off. That's that off, that's that off. That is your LCD display. That's what goes. Dead easy to get out, up and back, pull it out. 6 little receptors there. That's the display. Take that out of the one you bought on eBay. Get your one out of the car. Plenty of videos on here how to do it. It's only held in 3 screws, one there, and one on the top. Take the LCD display out. Plug it into this, get the pins lined up with there, no soldering, nothing, just poke it in at the top, in at the bottom, that's in, bezel on, cover on, that's ready to go back in the car. When it does, Speedo will display the original mileage. No need to have it configured with ForeScan or any of the other equipment. It's just plug it straight in, it'll work. You can do the whole job in less than half an hour. That's the other screw that holds it in the top. One there, 3 little Torxes. You can do the whole job in less than half an hour and it won't cost you 20 quid. Cheap and easy fix.